Okay, is it on?
Seems like it.
All right, it's Jessica and
Nigel.
with
All right.
Nigel's Jamaican Almond World. We just wanted to give you a shout out and just give you some more information about our products and what they do and how wonderful they are. I'll let you start, Nigel, with
Almond oil. Increase hair growth, reduce wrinkles, stretch marks, dark circles, and bags from under the eyes. It's rich in vitamin E, all the vitamin B content from 1 to 12, zinc, magnesium, vitamin K. It's also good for eczema and psoriasis. You can take it orally, meaning you can drink it. It helps to clean the digestive tract. It helps with acid reflux and other cardiovascular diseases.
okay.
And we have
Ah, this is my favorite, baby.
moringa seed serum. It's wonderful for the skin, for the hair. It is actually collagen, so it tightens skin. It's also, because of its high content of vitamin E and vitamin A, it also reverses the gray hair. It's the it reverses the iron that turns the hair gray. You can also look it up online. There's a lot of testimonies out there of people that it has already helped. So that's moringa and almond oil, and we have Grandma Sylvie castor oil. It's made in Jamaica. Grandma Sylvie is my grandma anyway. Um, this is widely spread in the African American hair care industry. A lot of people love to use this, including also in Jamaica. They use it for the hair, for the skin, and there's a lot of other stuff that castor oil does. It's even helped for pain and to lose weight and a lot of different stuff. It's very wonderful. So that's what we have for you today.
So visit our site at www.nigelsjamaicanalmondworld and learn more about our products and order today. We're doing fast free shipping on our merengue oil. It's taking a little bit longer on our almond oil because
Yeah.
we are just overloaded with orders. And then we do have the castor oil ready for fast free shipping as well. So visit our site. Know that we love you. We're here and still
Doing
serving,
it.
still doing it.
And soon we will also have the sun cooked almonds in a
Yes.
couple of weeks. So we'll let you know.
All
Take
right.
care. Love you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.